너네 이러는 거 아니야. 나같이 착하고 선량한 애를.
누가 좀 도와줘.
야, 이 프록스만도 못한 녀석아! 내가 얼마나 공들인 작전인데 네가 쓱싹 하려고 들어?
눈이야. 여긴 어디지? 다들 어디 있는 거야?
얘들아, 비상이야! 야, 야, 차, 다다다다다다다.
애써봤자 너흰 내 손바닥 아니야. 이제 그만 사라져.
뭘 꾸물거리고 있어? 어서 들어가.
응? 들어가라니?
이런 멍청한 것들, 들어가서 꼬맹이를 끄집어내야 할 거 아니야.
Well, you're sneaking around in the middle of the night.
So?
The cadets are suddenly missing.
You don't say.
And the last clue is, I can hear.
Get off of me! The point is, I'm sick of it. Grumbles, get cleaning. Grunk, get cooking. Goob, ugh, consider showering.
Sky Smogger, failed. Voltage Vac, failed. I've feared this since I rescued your egg, Esme. You're just not grumbly enough. Vulture Jr.
Is that any way to greet your new boss?
That's right, Esme. Vulture Jr. will be giving orders from now on. Fine, Esme. One more chance. One day to capture the cadets, or by this time tomorrow, Vulture Jr. is your new leader.
Said you got one day to catch those cadets, or all of this is mine.